Hello, crypto lovers. So I'm gonna try to keep it short, but I hope that the videos that I'm putting up they're helpful to you. I appreciate the follow and the like, and if you have any feedback, I welcome them. Anyways, let's have a look. I'm looking at my crypto portfolio. I'm looking at what's happening. Right now, there's not really much. Um, uh, will tell you my opinion. Hold your seats and let's go. So, here we go. What's happening is media quiet down a lot. In the industry, a lot has also been quiet down. That means that we need to be now vigilant because when things quiet down means that there could be an opportunity for the next massive run. Um, so when looking at the networks, when looking at the main chains, the blockchains, that's what I'm talking about. We have to look at how they're going. BTC, right? We got Tron, right? We got Ethereum. Those are the major ones. So how are they going? Are they having more of the projects coming in? Cost effective? Cardano, are they good? Are they not? Polkadot, anyways. So in terms of price, but because the projects are healthy, so now we know that the projects are healthy. So we need to know now, okay, what's going on with the price? We look at monthly, right? We know that they are. This is Tron. This is Ethereum, Waraya, Ethereum, right? We know that it's going up in monthly. We know there's no doubt, right? Um, but okay, shorter term now. We know that it's going up somehow, but shorter term, weekly, we know it's going up, but people keep saying, oh, we're short. Come on, you know. I guess they want to do the shorter term, short. I'm for the big runs. Um, Sorry. I'll tell you Tron and TRX. Where are you? Oh my gosh. So many. All right. Here. So weekly still up, still up. These haven't visited, haven't been visited, and these lows haven't been visited. So we are still in an uptrend, just in a tiny consolidation between an uptrend. That's all. That's what it is. You call it pullback. That's for me a pullback. Even shorter term, so we can find opportunities. So what do we know? Okay, if you get to know me, I don't look for patterns per se. They're really misleading sometimes, even though this is on hindsight a double top. um, what was happening on the higher time frames, we know that this still a super massive trend, right? So I'm not into this. If you get to know me, I'm into what is moving the market and the overall trend and the opportunity that we can find to get into the opportunities to get into the trend in the short term, so we can catch that longer term massive moves. So how did we get here? No kidding. How did we get here? That's Tron and ETH. That was a good one. ETH. You call it support? Yeah, okay. I'll tell you why. But where did we get here, right? And how did we get here, right? So it's very simple, and I hope that you are getting this education um, right into your brains. So let's keep it simple. Let's keep it under the 10 minutes. Where's the money? And if you were to look at BTC, fine. If you have the money, great, go for it. Uh, let's go with BTC. Why not? Because I'm looking at it too. So um, at the moment, we know that the weekly is long. We know that the monthly is long, right? We know. What's the daily going on? Where is it? So at the moment, um, that's our last visit. from these highs, right? Broke those highs, keep pushing higher, and this was the last lows visited. But for me, it's not bear until these lows are broken. You may think, what? But look at this support. Yeah, I know. It's not about the support, resistance areas. It's where the money was last pushed, right? So this is just you can put it um, as an addition to this run. Yeah, to not complicate the word addition, right? But for me, if this breaks, that's fine because this is where the major look is to become biased somehow on the short terms, on the short side. But for now, still long. Would you buy there? Because we are long, Jana. Jana, what's going on? JVP, tell me what are you doing? Okay, I'll tell you. Typically, I can't tell you the exact end exit or entry because if that's very to your mindset, to your psychology. If I tell you mine, you'll probably get even more confused. So I'm going to keep it short. Just look at structure, right? If you look at structure, you'll have a very good idea. Um, Something that they call double bottoms, W's, something like that. But see, they don't explain why these things are what they are, or the triple bottoms, whatever they want to call them, the head and shoulders, stuff like that. I'll tell you right now, the only thing that you need to know is that at the last time that point of interest is broken is a change of bias because that's the last time money pushed, right? Same with the other side. So last time in the longer time frame, this was where the money was pushed, and this was where last time where the money pushed down. You see what I mean? Okay, we got that. So as long as this is still um uh what's the word? Sorry, valid, then you still long. Sorry, you still long. Yeah, that's right. You still long because this was the last time this thing pushed up. Um, in the longer time frame. So we go to the shorter time frame and try to capture those bounces, right? Um, or breakouts. See, that's what I mean. Like, are you a breakout? Are you a reversal? Are you a trend follower? Don't overthink it. Pick one, get to it. So this was the last time money pushed. This was the last time money was in here, but then money was absolutely liquidated in here. See, those shorts are liquidated, right? So now we're long. Oh, but wait, if we're long, and this was the last time that was all the shorts got liquidated. But then, oh, but look, I'm short because of this M. No, that's why patterns don't work. No, this is what they call um, um, pattern bias, right? Just because you see it doesn't mean it's going to work. And sometimes will work. Yeah, sometimes will work. Yeah, just toss a coin. Sometimes it will work. But we're trying to catch the massive high probability setups. So for me, I didn't take that short. I was actually thinking that's a, okay, we're long, but where's the opportunity to go long, right? Um, yeah, you could have taken a breakout over there. Why not? You could have taken that easily and gotten. Oh well, you got the liquidator. Too bad. Boo hoo. One loss out of how many? Next 1,000 trades, please. Um, Now let's have a look. Another opportunity. Where's the next change of structure? So we are still long here, right? We are still this got liquidated, and there's now money here. We're trying to do is to get this money and get the hype helping us to go to 150 to 180, wherever Bitcoin will be. I don't care, right? So have a look at break of structure. People are thinking, oh, that's a bear flag and it'll go to freaking 4,000. No, 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 that's not what I think. I think it that if you find that this is a break of structure in the lower time frame, that point of interest, and so that break of structure, this is the last time money was pushed from, came back down, last consolidation. So right here, this money on the shorter time frame, we're trying to capture those, a lot of money here, um, but altogether we know that it's going to be a massive push. Uh, so that's the last time money was pushed from on this shell, pushed down, captured some lows over here, right? But it hasn't broken your overlook of short bias in the short term. So what do? We just wait until there's a change of bias in the shorter term. Yes, daily for me is shorter term because those are where the massive moves happen. We're not trying to capture the 1 hour, the 5 minutes. Nah, we're not trying to capture that. Look how short those trends are. Boop, dip, and then go up, got taken down, and that would have worked. That would have worked. But then you go like that, and then it'll take you down again. You know. So for me, long term. See, last time push down, push up. Idea is gonna go down. This gonna go up. Probably do a double bottom or something like this, whatever you want to call it. Break the point of interest or break up trend line. Whatever. So that's my look among bias.